Good morning, this is Airpost Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for this weekend. Today is Saturday, and I started yesterday reading for the first 6 zodiac signs up to Virgo, and today I'm finishing up reading for Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. And the reading starts with Libra. Welcome, Libra. I'm using Forest Magic and Archangel Animal decks. And the reading starts with the Forest Magic Oracle card. Out for you came the Fern. And the fern is also known as devil brushes. Ferns, they grow in the secret places of the forest. They are tucked away deep into the underground, so the ferns, they are a little mysterious to us. They are said to bestow the power of invisibility if you carry them in your pocket, and sometimes ferns, they may take revenge on a traveler who steps upon them carelessly by walking through the woods. These ancient plants do seem to carry some knowledge that they do not always care to share with us, so their mysteries are their own. But they provide shelter and protection also, and because of their ability to bring the rain, they also have cleansing properties. Today we know that ferns reproduce through their spores. Long ago, though, it was thought that their seeds were invisible and dangerous to collect. But they are all the more powerful because of it. The Archangel animal card that came out is the owl, saying to listen to the messages of the angels, says Archangel Bokpi. The owls are fifth dimensional birds from Lakome, the ascended aspect of Sirius, says this book. They carry the wisdom of their home star in their energy fields, and they are known as wise owls because their energy enlightens people, and also because they have big round eyes. Their sole mission is to hold the blueprint of the fifth dimensional vision for our planet as we move towards the new golden age. They try to impress this onto people and animals, and so inspire them to raise their frequency. Owls, they serve as teachers. At night, they gather together elementals in their area and impart knowledge and wisdom to them to help them ascend. They are very protective of them. They also clear lower energies from their particular territories, and they are helped in this by cats. Some species of owls, they hoot or they screech, and others, they growl, chirp, whistle, or make a different sound altogether. On one level, this is to communicate with their own kind, and on another level, the vibration within these sounds brings through the messages and a wise guidance from the angels. This is the card of the wise teacher, and you are being advised to use your knowledge carefully. You are not just imparting information. When you communicate, the energy in your aura is raising the frequency of those you speak to and helping to enlighten them. This is a very sacred mission. So start to notice how people are drawn to you and choose your words wisely, because you have more impact than you realize. Be aware that you are clearing and cleansing the energy around you. This means that you need to take extra care of yourself and rest more. Give yourself time to absorb the messages of the angels. That was the reading for you, Libra. Thanks for listening. Wishing you a beautiful weekend. Sending out lots of love. Take care and goodbye.